Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can edit image on dall-e 2. So for that you will have to search for dall-e on your browser, and after that log into your OpenAI account, and this is where it will lead you to. After that all you have to do is just click on this option of upload an image. Then select the image from your gallery or from your device. After that it will be uploaded on this dall-e platform, and all you have to do is just give the prompts and your image will be edited in that way. Suppose you have uploaded an image of a scenery and you want to change the color of the sky from dark to light, then you just have to type the prompt over here, like change the color of the sky and make it a little lighter, make it a little darker. In that way, the more description of the editing that you want will be given by you in the prompt section, the better the results will be. So this is how you will be able to play it up by using prompts and making edits. Or you don't have to have these skills. All you have to do is just write the words and prompts and your image will come out to be a great one. And this is how you use dall-e 2 for editing your image. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.